Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was waiting for that other video to load. I was just looking at this, and I made a couple of videos yesterday, and I made one today, and I changed it up by using the Transformation Docker. But also, yesterday I made this arch on the top by using another circle. Well, there's a way you can do that a different way. Our box is approximately 2 inches. My nudge distance is set on 2 inches. I'm going to make a duplicate of this, Control D, and then I'm going to nudge it up 2 inches. Then I can take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Let's nudge it over out of the way. Let's grab, whoop, I didn't mean to do that. Grab these two blocks, two cubes, and just delete them, because now here's our new one. Let's left click, no fill, and let's put him right back. And here's another thing I was kind of playing around with on our Transformation Docker. Change this rotation to the center. And you don't know how many it is. In the previous video, I kind of showed how to figure it out. But let's just say you're going to guess at 12. Well, at 12, you're halfway around. But you've got to remember you've got two halves on the right side of the circle. So you only need 11, which would be our magical 23. And so let's go 23 again, and voila. So you could do test, and that's what I like about the Transformation Docker. You can just back up. And then let's take away our inside circle, move it out of the way for a second, and let's weld this together. I'm going to show you another little thing I kind of figured out. Let's break the curve apart, because we have a new inside circle. But what we can do is take that inside circle, holding down the shift key, it will grow from the center. Now, you can take this now and back minus front. And it didn't work. So this is another little, take that and arrange it and put it in order, put it in the back of the page, because it all depends on which one you drew first. Now let's go back minus front. Well, that's starting to irritate me. Let's go front minus back. There we go. It's always a little bit confusing. So how else could you draw something like that? And let's take it and fill it in with black and take away the hairline. There you have a dotted line around a circle. And it's not perfect because of the fact that it's sloping in our box here, and that could be fixed, but that's a pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.